to get on the same page about what we're even talking about. So let's define it. What exactly is AI animation? Think of it this way. AI animation is basically where artificial intelligence becomes your creative partner, or maybe your co-pilot. Instead of you having to slave away, drawing every single frame by hand, the AI does the heavy lifting. It can generate movement, facial expressions, you name it, even entire scenes. And it does all of this just based on the simple text prompts you feed it. And wow, when you put it side by side with traditional animation, the difference is just night and day. I mean, the old way is this incredibly manual, frame-by-frame grind. It could take weeks just to get a few seconds of animation done. But this new AI-assisted way, you're just guiding it with words, with prompts, and getting results almost instantly. The real game changer here isn't just the tech itself. It's this massive shift away from tedious labor and toward pure creative direction. All right, so that's the theory. But how does this actually work, in the real world? Well, the whole journey from a blank screen to a finished animation can actually be broken down into a pretty simple 4-step process. And you'll see this workflow is actually surprisingly straightforward. Step 1, it all starts with your story. You just write a short script for a scene. Then, step 2, you need a character, right? So you use an AI image tool to create one, just based on a description. Step 3 is where the magic happens. You bring that character into an AI animation tool, and it generates the movement for you. And finally, step 4, you put on the finishing touches. Add your voiceover, some sound effects, maybe a little music, and bam, the scene is complete. And just like that, you've got a finished piece of animation. It's done in a tiny fraction of the time it would have taken the old-fashioned way. The AI is handling all that complex, tedious stuff. The subtle movements, the character's expressions, even thinking about camera angles. It totally frees you up to just focus on what really matters, the story you want to tell. But, okay, let's be real. No new technology is perfect right out of the gate. As exciting as all this is, it's also changing and evolving super fast. So it's important to take a clear-eyed look at both the amazing benefits and, the limitations it has right now. So on the plus side, the benefits are massive. You get just incredible speed and this amazing freedom to try things out without sinking a ton of time into it. But we have to be realistic about the downsides too. Sometimes the animations can have that, that uncanny valley vibe, where something just feels a little off. The movements might not be perfectly smooth or natural, and getting a result that looks truly polished, that still takes a human touch. It takes practice and a lot of skill to get your prompts just right. I saw one creator sum it up perfectly. They said, "It's not perfect, but the speed and creativity are both amazing." And honestly, that really hits the nail on the head for where we are right now. It's not this flawless, perfect system, but the amount of creative potential it's already unlocking, it's just incredible. So, with all of that on the table, what's